Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Big O News. So stay till the end to hear about that. So yeah, my voice is a little shot because I was at Camp Chief Logan and we sang a lot of camp songs and had a lot of fun. And this video is about Camp Chief Logan, and I recorded 2 hours and 30 minutes of just random stuff, and I narrowed it down to 11 minutes of things. So without further ado, here is my time at Camp Chief Logan and what all I did with everybody. So yeah, here it goes.
Setting up camp, more like setting up camp, am I right?
So first meeting of the week, me and the boys waiting outside the trading post.
Yeah, we posted me and the boys waiting outside the trading post.
Yeah. That was the right one! Run! I can't breathe on my right. Nice.
I gotta catch up with my friends.
Yeah! Sticks float by on the current. Leaves on trees rustle together. A cool breeze goes by.
I don't know if you can see this right now, but my toe is wrinkled because of trench foot, because of all the rain. It looks disgusting. Let me see if I can put it up to the light. You can probably see it a little. My feet look awful because of trench foot. So we just left the swim place for our life-saving merit badge. The camera's a little foggy. Yeah, I don't know why.
Alright, everything checks out. Good now. At all.
Make sure
when you're a pioneer, I need pie.
Come back. I don't
need it. I don't get it. I don't need it.
Gaga ball pit. Probably gonna get in next round. They just started a new one. Just enjoying my first ski of the day. Got it over there from the ski machine. One of the best things here. And I'm gonna go to here, the Mead Lodge, to do my robotics merit badge. Mylan.
What?
Ryan, what's going on?
3. Existence.
That is nice.
Yeah. Then she'll be on this. Yeah, a lot more than like you said. Yeah. What? HE double horseshoes. No, it's even worse. Who cares? I know. Gets my point across though. Cause I am running a marathon right now. I liked this. I hate it, and now I'm just running. Yeah. What? That's what a marathon is. There's stages of a marathon. Are you feeling alright? Oh, I wonder if I heat stroke today.
There goes Mylan. That's a tractor, man. It's
You
pizza
lost the
time.
watermelon shoe.
Oh, we got the pizza. Look at these delicious pizzas.
Yeah, this cheese is good. Matt's like really cool because he gave us cheese.
So there they go. Oh.
Yeah, everyone's been getting sick lately. Nate freaking is recording right now, and freaking David like passed out 6 times earlier, and Matt just
cut his leg like right here, like on a cut like this long, so he has to go to the hospital. Yo, what's up? Call just happened. Nate's epic. The boys are outside. Bruh.
Yo, we got the boys.
Nice vlog, dude. The boys. Parker and Jackson.
Yes,
both
that's
coming.
traffic.
Get the Nintendo 64 controller.
Who is it?
The Mad Catz controller.
It's Jordan. He's like the leader of the STEM building.
Mylan? John. Once it's numbed out, one in
Oh my gosh. No, but like one thing that can't.
Great job, Mylan. There's the dining hall. And there's the mead lodge. That's where I'm going.
Let it go!
God, it's so foggy. It's like you can't really see anything.
B, you dropped something. Drop something back here.
We got it, don't worry.
Be nice. No beating up the. No I was just leave. No beating up the. No pulling kids. No pulling people out of tents. Sorry, hold the thing open.
Get up! Wait, Mylan, try again.
What?
Try again.
There you go, I like that.
Congratulations, man.
Hey Chase, what are we doing?
Yeah, we're about to go to the dining hall to have our little Friday night campfire.
Yeah.
It is preparing. It's brewing up a storm out here. It's windy.
Yes.
Get a little view of the campsite before we go.
That's our campsite.
Right now. I don't know if that's a clear sky or just. Hey, we're gonna have to have before and after photos.
Yeah.
Before and after.
So
I just bring the camera.
yeah. Okay, so guys, if you couldn't hear Chase, basically we're having a storm that's about to happen or maybe passing us.
It's
not
gonna
be
pass. Yeah, we gotta
Oh, okay.
try instead.
It looks like it's passing.
Bye, cruel world.
Yeah, campfire. Yeah, inside. Everyone had
Hey guys, yo, it's Nathan, currently in the tent. It's night, the storm, we had a horrible storm, and I am back in the tent. All of our stuff got soaked. You can see, you can't really see it anymore, but we had a huge amount of water on our cots. I have my sleeping bag right here because it's soaked. I had a puddle on my cot that I sleep on, and my pillow was extremely damp. My friend Michael gave me a towel, 2 towels actually, one for my pillow and one to lay on, and my good old friend Mylan gave me a blanket that I could use. So yeah, it's pretty tough.
So we just woke up, we're packing up. Chase is out there talking about demons, looking wide. The boys.
I got the camera out. Ryan, explain.
Well, we're currently waiting for our trucks to come so we can actually get out of here. Hold up,
Heck yeah.
the golf cart. Nathan, pan the camera over. Watch, it'll come out of yonder. Ready?
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, Nathan. Yeah, Nathan.
The pioneers of the whole camp.
During a gold rush.
Ah, I see. Very.
Okay, and we are leaving the camp. That is waterfront.
Yeah, waterfront.
And that's where the campfire was.
Whoa, that looks...
Hey guys, thanks for staying till the end. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So anyway, here's the sponsor, Big O News. I have it currently pulled up. It is a website that I made. It's a social media website. As you can see, it's news, and but it can really be anything. It doesn't really matter. You have a thing called Big O Bucks, which you can get from posting news, getting followers, basically having a lot of user activity. You can upload news, you can upload videos and images. You can email people, aka B-mail. You also have ranks, so you get ranks from basically the same thing as Big O Bucks. Currently I'm in 2nd place, and you can update your status, and here's the latest status updates. We have games, we have a chats, and we have shops, so you can personalize your profile, and this is what my profile looks like. And you can choose from a catalog of what you bought. We also have a pixel art page, and everybody can see this page. Click on it to just draw, and you also have notifications, the usual. And yeah, so this is what Big O News is. Here's somebody's post. So yeah, check out bigonews.com, link in the description. Hopefully you guys have a good day, and see you later.